recording. Start talking loudly and make random noises. Okay, keep talking. Dance around. Okay, can I please talk to you 4 minutes before your head starts falling off? Hey YouTube, it's me, Mordecai Revenge, and you might notice that I have a phone in my hand. It's my friend. Oh wait, do you want me to say your name? Okay, this is my friend Bridget, and she wants me to make her in my video, so she can't come over because I don't think she knows where I live. Okay, you know where I live, but you can't come over today, I don't think. And I had bacon. You can knock the phone over. Fall over! Oops. Are you okay? You're supposed to say no. Are you okay? You're supposed to say no, not yay. Are you okay? You're not supposed to say that. Okay, can we just get to the video? Okay. Shut up! Okay. Hey, Susie. Hello? Are you deaf? Okay, can you talk a little louder? Say cupcakes. Boom! Oh my god, your head popped off! Wait, your body looks messed up. That's not even your body! What's wrong with you? You like what? I love peanuts. I hate peanuts. Why did you say that? Say I love peanuts. Okay, now your body's moving around without anyone touching you. Now you're just floating around. Mommy! I'm trying to find a lizard head. I'm gonna put a lizard head on your cat body. Now I just dropped my Kit Kat. You look ridiculous, Bridget. Let me get your lizard head. I'm putting a lizard head on you. Okay, you're a cat with a lizard head. Say the random words. No, say like a bunch of random words. Keep doing it. What's wrong with you? Cheesecake. What are you saying? Toilet. Okay, let me get a toy toilet. Where's that? This old toilet thing? It looks like a real toilet. Okay, you want it to look like you're going back. Okay. I'm making the screen go back. You're going to the bathroom, Bridget. Do you want your head to go in there? Okay, then Marshmallow Chihuahua comes in and accidentally flushes your head in there. Okay, say random flushing. Okay, then Marshmallow pulls the plug and you're like, ah! Now start saying, wee! Oh my god. We need to call the plumber. Okay! I will get the plumber. Because I'm the plumber. My butt is a plumber. Ah! We knocked the toilet down. Bridget, I knocked the toilet over. And now all the water's spilled on your head. Can I be a plumber now? Shut up, Marshmallow. Shut your mouth. Be quiet. That was my mom. Sorry about that. Okay, who wants me to drop Orbeez? Who wants me to drop a bunch of big Orbeez on the screen? Shut up, please. I'm trying to get the Orbeez out of the water. Be quiet, please. By the way, you two, remember those Orbeez I had yesterday? I finally got them out of that little froggy thing. They're in a froggy thing, okay? It looks ridiculous. And I mean ridiculous. And one of the shattering piece of glass was on my finger when I woke up. And I was like, oh my gosh, there's glass on my finger, and it won't come out. Okay, now there's Orbeez all over the place. There's pink Orbeez everywhere. You're going to be dancing with pink Orbeez. Wait, what color do you want? I'll have white. Okay, what other color? What other color? That's not in the color. I don't have that. What other color? What else do you want? What else do you want before you have a heart attack? We don't have black. You're dead. What other color? What? Green? What? What did you say? You want green and yellow? You want Jean? P? What do you want? What color? Seriously, tell me. That's not even a color. But is not a color, Bridget. You two, I'm really sorry she's acting like an idiot. This is really just her personality of being an idiot. And I don't know why she has a messed up face. Because she has a cat of a body and a lizard for a head. And I don't even know what I just said. Okay, start singing. Keep singing, Bridget. Bridget, you're really not helping. Wait, let me see how long the video is on, She's really smart, but she doesn't act like it, and, the video's been on for 8 minutes already. Oops. I dropped you. That means you're almost dead. What is wrong with you? Yes, you do have brain damage. Where is your head? Bridget, I lost your head. Oh wait, I found it. Now you're not headless. Sadly. Bridget, you're a lizard that has a cat body, and now you're a cat that has a lizard body. Yes. You have a lizard body and you have a cat head. Frankenweenie? Bridget, you really gotta see this right now. You're a cat with a lizard body. You look ridiculously cute. Aww. You look really cute with this body. Bridget, you look adorable right now. Dude, that's the whole point. Okay, I'm gonna stop the video, okay?